Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm joining you after a long time. Here I am making stuffed chilies. They are green chilies, very long one but not spicy. I'm stuffing it with tinned tuna. Here I am mixing the tuna with some green chilies, cilantro, turmeric, salt, pepper and some pickles. So I'll be sauteing it a little just to cook it a little bit, and then we can stuff it in the green chilies. I'm also adding some ginger and garlic finely chopped. Then I'll add a little bit of lime juice and some red chili flakes to give a little spice, as these green chilies don't have spice. So I'm adding all these. It's a very tasty snack and very easily done, very quickly done. So here this is lime juice, all the ingredients, ginger, garlic, onion, everything is finely chopped. And here I have taken a pan. I just sauteed some potatoes. I'm using the same pan. I'm taking 1 teaspoon of oil, adding onions, ginger, green chilies, and garlic. These are all very finely chopped, fresh. Just saute it a little to remove the raw smell. Then I'll add the tinned tuna, which I have mashed a little with a fork. So we'll saute all these together. I was on treatment for my brain tumor, that's why I couldn't post any videos. Here I added some salt as required. Pepper, some turmeric powder, and saute it, and you get this color. So all the raw smell is gone, and also all the liquid that was there, it is evaporated. I'm adding some cilantro stems, then cilantro leaves, keep sauteing at a low flame. It's a very tasty dish. I'm sure all of you will like it. I'm now adding the chili flakes to give the dish a little spice. Here I have finely chopped the pickles. They are chili pickles, so I finely chopped them too to give a tangy taste. So now just saute it for 2 to 3 minutes and it's done. Then I give a dash of lime juice and put off the stove. I can smell it, the flavors of tuna. In my home everyone likes tuna. These are the chilies. I don't know the name. I bought it from a Mexican shop. These are very long, almost 6 to 7 inches long. You can see the tray, but the tray is about 12 inches. So you can see that very fleshy but not spicy. It's almost more than a human palm. So I'm just showing you the size of it. So we just split it. No need to remove the seeds because it doesn't have any spice. So I'm just using the seeds also together and then stuffing it with the stuffing that we prepared. Split it lengthwise. Add the stuffing. And over the stuffing I'll add some mozzarella cheese. My husband likes cheese, so we made 3 green chilies with cheese, and the other 3 we made it without cheese. That's for me. You can use any type of cheese. I'm using the mozzarella cheese. You can see I'm stuffing it here, the whole length of the chili, so that every bite will get the stuffing taste. And just press it a little so that it binds together. Similarly, I'll be doing for all the chilies. You can keep the stuffing ready beforehand and then do it very quickly when needed. You can also have some other stuffings, paneer, cottage cheese, or meat, or any other fish, anything, whatever you like. Just cook it a little and then stuff it. Here I am adding the cheese. You can also wrap it with bacon pieces. That way also you can bake it, or you can deep fry it or roast it on a tawa. I'm just baking it. So anyway you can prepare it. You can see this is a very easily done recipe, but I bet you will like all the efforts. So definitely try this for me and let me know the name of the chili if you know. This is the first time I am seeing this type of chili, very long one. So immediately I bought it just to try this. After adding the cheese, just press it a little so that it doesn't fall down. It binds together now. So now here you see I have 3 green chilies with cheese and 3 without. So that's for me and my husband. So we both differ in taste. That is why. So I just arranged it in a tray. No need to oil also. If you want you can oil, otherwise just avoid it. So just place it, giving a little space in between, and bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes, or 350 for 15 minutes, 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. It's done very easily, so it doesn't take a long time to bake. Here you can see the outcome of our recipe. It's very tempting. I'm just waiting to have a bite. So let's taste it and see how it tastes. You can have any sauce or ketchup. And it's not at all spicy, so everyone can eat it. Even the kids can have it. It really was very, very tasty. We enjoyed the snack in the evening with some hot cup of tea. Thank you all for watching.